Use these words the next time you get good news. An article by Jenny Wallen. There's an English expression that says bad news travels fast. But when good news does finally arrive, here are some words you can use to say you're happy to hear it. When you feel happy to hear or learn something, you can say you are glad about it. You can also gladly to say that you would be happy to do something. For example, if you told your friend you had a job interview, she could say, "I'm glad to hear that. I know how much you want a new job." Then, if you ask her to help you practice for the interview, she could answer, "Gladly." If something makes you very pleased, you can say that you are delighted. Delight is another word for feeling of great happiness, and a delight is someone or something that makes people happy. So, if the interview went well, you might tell your friend, "I was delighted with how everything went. I think they really liked me." She could answer, "Of course they did. You're a delight." Thrilled means to be extremely happy and excited about something and can be used when you hear very, very good news. So, if you get the job, you could say to your friend, "I was so thrilled when they called and offered me the job. I can't wait to start." This is Teacher Riza, and thank you so much for reading with me. I hope that this video will help you in improving your English skills. Please like and subscribe for more additional videos. See you again!